Today we will draw a cute ladybug, step by step. Draw a big letter A. Let's create body part. Draw a semicircle from top of letter A to bottom as shown. Do this in both the sides. Draw few curved lines to complete the body part. Draw lower part. To do this, just draw V letter slightly curved at bottom. Draw head. Draw small dots to show eyes. Do it both the sides. Draw one more curved line to make the body complete. Draw antenna. Now you can see a ladybug body. Let's draw a few black circles as I am doing to give it a proper ladybug look. Your ladybug is ready. It's time for coloring. Fill black color in head. Do the same in the circle draw in the body. It's time to color body. You have to color this with red. And careful here. Just color only wings part. Color inner body part with yellow as I am doing. You can color dark yellow at the corner to give it real look. This is completely optional. You can ignore that if you want. Congratulations! You draw and colored a ladybug. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.